guys, welcome back to our channel, The Noob Parents, and here we are for another episode. And today, before we start, I'm gonna show you the painting that we have done before. It was in vlog 61. Okay, if you want to check how we did it, just click on the link above, and you will see how we ended up with this kind of abstract painting. What we are gonna do today is another clay. We're gonna play with clay, but this time it's gonna be a real clay, because this one is gonna dry, and when it's dry it's gonna be hard, and it's just like a normal pot or whatever. It's the one that they are used for making pots and crafts, you know. So we're gonna try to do it. We're gonna do something with it, and let's see what this guy is gonna do. You want to do a turtle today? Yeah. Okay, that's a good idea. So let's see what's inside. Let's open it. The color is quite nice. It's like reddish color. Oh, it's like a how do you call that? Terracotta. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh yes, it is. It's a terracotta color.
Oh yeah.
Right. Okay. Let's open it. We're not gonna open everything. I'm just gonna give you a piece of it to play with. All right. And smells. It doesn't smell bad, but it's kind of like an organic smell. It smells good. Okay. It doesn't bulge, but it's soft. It's easy enough to make a shape out of it. But if you're gonna try to make some nice texture, I don't know if we needed to add something or use something from it or onto it. I'm not really sure, but if you see, guys, I'm starting to do the shell.
Hi guys, look.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try it with some water. Okay, just a touch of water, and let's see if it improves the texture. Well, I think it's kind of working. It's smoothing a little bit. Right. So I think water should work fine. Just be careful. Okay, so look at that. So I get some clay on my hands already. Okay. So let's see if I could do some texturing on it.
You can try to make a circle. Put a little bit of water. A little bit. Just try to make a circle. Make it circle now. Like a
Let me
ball.
put it.
Little bit.
It's not perfect, but it's doing the job, I suppose. So look at that. Just by doing that. So guys, I think the water really looks it works very well on this real clay, because once you use a little bit of a touch of water, and you will be able to smooth it out quite quickly. See, so right now I'm just doing the head. It's kind of a semicircle here. Okay, just smoothing everything out. Okay. If you use too much water, it will become sticky, so be careful. We'll start to make an indentation here. Okay, like that. So that's gonna look like the mouth of the turtle.
Aiden, use your pattern tray. If we're having difficulty to follow that.
And then we'll make some indentation around one round tip for the eyes,
Can I check it? Can you show it again, please?
like that. And another one here.
Around tip.
So we'll make an eyeball, I suppose. Okay, so now we're gonna attach the,
Look, I make fingerprints.
yeah, we're gonna attach the head. Maybe if we use the water itself,
I
it
go wash my hands.
would serve as a adhesive. We're gonna try. So that's 2 feet. So that's the 2 feet done. And without this guy messing around with the water. Yeah.
I think that will be a bit.
Yeah. Okay. Water. Stick it out. Water. Stick it out. Okay.
Okay, show Mama what your work is. Wow. And this is little. Wow. Wow. What is this one? Aiden, very good, very nice. Aiden, wow.
I want to put some kind of support here. You know. I think this kind of work requires a lot of patience. Actually, you cannot rush this thing because it's gonna just further mess up, or it's gonna be ruined. You know, I'm gonna show you an example, guys, because I was not taking care of the top. And you see it went a little bit flat again. So now I need to like repair it. What did I use before? I think I used this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do some basic shapes. Okay, so that Aiden can also paint it with the turtle.
Put it there.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the.
What are you making?
I think I'm gonna make a bowl, the easiest one. To make a bowl easily is just put it like this in your hand and just do this. So here I got a ball. Next shape I'm gonna do is, what do you want to make?
The shirt. Darth Vader's helmet.
Hmm?
Darth Vader's helmet.
That is level 999 skills for doing sculpting. So no. Here we are at level 0.5. This is not a pyramid. It's a cone. Okay, Now we have a cone. Now I'm gonna build. Oops. So this is just a quick making of a square. What do you call it? It's a cube. It's not a square. A square is a shape. It's a flat shape. This is kind of a 3D. So you can't really call it a square, but it's a cube. So here, I'm just gonna do it easily like that. Here now we have a, what's this? Blocks. Wow. You identified it better than me. A cube block? Huh? Aiden? Okay. So what else we can do? What else can we do? Aiden? So right now I'm just trying to use the one of the molds here.
What are you trying to show?
The block.
Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah. Wow. Very nice, thank you. And this is what?
Oh.
This is what shape? Aiden, what shape is this? What shape? What shape? Aiden, what shape?
Oh.
It's a circle. Yeah.
Circle.
Okay guys, so what I did here, I tried to use the one of the molds, and it didn't go perfectly, but I think it's a little bit acceptable. So we'll have to see once it's dry if that would do nicely.
I like it.
Okay. Okay guys, so this is the end of our video, and I hope you like our episode for today, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share, and also if you want to subscribe in our membership, please do so. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.